Alright, so we're going to get Flynn and Kristoff to try and make us a drink. Flynn, Kristoff!
Get over here.
I did not agree to this.
Hey. Flynn, come on. Okay, you guys are going to make us a root beer float.
Yep, and we're just going to sit right here and watch.
Alright, and you guys are going to listen to this funny music while baking. Okay.
Oh my. Wow. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, let me pick up the speaker.
Alright, so we have to make
this.
this.
Here you go. Oh wait, it's
root beer float. Okay. I've heard that you're supposed to make it by getting ice cream and
root beer.
Root beer.
Right here.
All right. Pour it in.
Go. Now we're going to use this spoon and.
It was ice cream.
Huh. Okay. And now we're going to mix it. And now we're gonna. It spilled. Dang it! Darn it! Oh.
That was the last ice cream.
Now
what?
We're gonna have to make homemade ice cream.
Yep.
Oh, come on.
Okay, salt. Pour it in.
We don't put salt in ice cream.
Wait, I'll search it up. Okay, a lot of sugar. 5 cups.
Oh, that's a lot.
Wow. Wait a second. That was 5 teaspoons.
Alright, I made the ice cream. Now we're going to dump it in that container.
Alright.
And we're going to
put
the root beer.
And
now use this spatula to put it on the ice cream cup. Oh, pick up the...
Dang it.
Okay, now. Okay, and now the whipped cream.
I got it. I got it.
Oh, okay.
Whoa!
Oh my! It's all over my face. I can't get it off my face.
Here, I'm just gonna. You guys made a mess in our kitchen. Whoops.
Well, you're the ones who told us to bake, so it's your fault.
All right, here we go. Sip. A little too salty.
Why did you guys put salt in the ice cream? I told you not to. You
wait.
Don't listen.
That was salt instead of sugar. 5 cups of salt. Whoops.
I'm so sorry, guys.
We just cannot
have fun throwing up tonight. We're gonna go watch football.
Okay.
Woo, yeah.
This is why we don't let boys cook in our kitchen.
They can only.
Now we'll show them a real root beer float. Yes. Let's first clean up this mess.
Okay, so we got the fresh ice cream right here. And now we need the root beer poured in.
Okay. I'll stir it.
Okay. Now we're going to suck it into that.
Oh, crap.
Wait a minute.
Alright. Now, let's go. Flynn!
We're not doing any more cooking.
No, you're going to have to try this. This is a real root beer float.
Why can't you see it?
Here. That's amazing! Wow! Wow, how did you guys do this? I'm going to go watch football. See ya.
Okay.
I don't think you really appreciate it.
Okay. Well, that's our show today, so bye!